वेरी क्वाइट और तुम लोग बहुत दूर हो आज. ऐसा क्या हुआ? एवरीबडी वेरी वेल बिहेव्ड टुडे. आई एम फीलिंग ये हमने सीलिंग क्रॉस कर लिया था, सब एकदम से इस तरफ हो गए. Well, everybody really coming in to have lots of fun, well dressed, and yeah, intrigued to know what the polls have resulted in. How did matlab it's a film? Somebody wrote a film and somebody wants to direct it. Is it Hrithik Roshan's shoes? How? Oh, I wasn't aware. I don't know. It's still we're in talks. It's not as and when the things for Ashiki 3 get finalized, we'll announce it. अभी सिर्फ बातें चल रही हैं और अभी काम चल रहा है. There are talks with the production house, at least with me. Baki, they'll have to take a call who is there. It's in a very early stages. Obviously, yeah. Obviously, I'm getting a chance to work with Mohit again, which I'm very excited with. I met him on the film, and Bhatt Saab ne bhi jo quote diya tha. And yeah, I think it's too early to talk about anything else apart from that. But we're super excited. Maybe I'll be, I don't know, trying my hand at singing. Definitely, I've liked Ashiki 2 and I like Mohit Suri. So, two things is a great franchise, great director, and we'll have some outstanding music for sure. So, we're hopefully locking all the content and script and have a wonderful story to shoot. Katrina and I just finished Baar Baar Dekho. We're almost finishing Baar Baar Dekho. I think it's a great concept level love story. Working with her has been a learning experience. Ki after, I think, doing various kind of roles also, still coming in with a lot of effort. She's extremely hardworking, extremely finicky, if I may say, about finicky in a good way, about doing the scene, about how she wants to do about it, how maybe even the other things surrounded with it, other elements surrounded with acting, and which you might think that some people might take it easy, but she's never laid back and she's always on top of her game. And yeah, so I think it was great working with Katrina, and I'm sure people will enjoy us. Any what? Sorry? Love advice. I have no such love advice. Sorry, man. I'm not a love guru. अच्छा, अब पता नहीं करण सर से पूछिए, वो हमारे प्रोड्यूसर है, एंड he's produced the film Kapoor and Sons. I think उनके हम सभी उनके फेवरेट है. Everybody from Ratna sir, Rajat sir, Rishi sir, Shakun Batra, Fawad, me, and now film is successful, so definitely I think he's loving all of us. But if it is, I think it's Mr. Karan Johar to answer. He stood up. He was against his own brands.
Yeah, basically they didn't deliver according to what they promised. So he said that the brand should stand up and deliver.
Well, I think then it's fair, but if you get into a brand when they promise you something, then if you don't get delivered, then I feel I don't know I'm not aware of what the problem is. But then I feel it's fair. Otherwise, every actor is aware of what he's endorsing and what communication they're trying to give. Yeah, so I think, and also, but it's sometimes hard, you guys have to be easy on us because we're just representing the brand. I'm not making the product or delivering it. We are just being a face for something. So yeah, take it easy on Mr. Dhoni. It'll be very exciting. I wish I could speak a language apart from Hindi or English very fluently. I know a little bit of Punjabi. Even though my mom is Adani, she'll hate me for it to not know full fluent Punjabi. So first I will take lessons, but it'll be very interesting to do maybe a Punjabi film. हाँ जी. हाँ, मैंने देखा सलमान सर ने ट्वीट किया उनके साथ, एंड आई थिंक इट्स कमेंडेबल. मुझे भी पता है, लाइक हम लोग अलग अलग पिक्चरों के लिए वज़न बढ़ाते हैं, घटाते हैं. एक डेडिकेशन चाहिए होती है, एक किस्म का एक फोकस चाहिए होता है. एंड इवन आई वाज रियली हैप्पी टू सी हिज फोटो, इवन दो आई डोंट नो हिम पर्सनली, बट हैट्स ऑफ टू हिम टू लूज सो मच वेट. बेस्ट ऑफ लक एंड स्टे हेल्दी एंड गिव दैट एनर्जी आउट टू पीपल. डेफिनेटली मैं उनको मिला नहीं हूँ, मैंने फोटो देखा तो शॉकिंग वही है जो 108 लूज़ करना है, बहुत शॉकिंग है। हाँ, यहाँ पे पसीने निकल जाते हैं और दम निकल जाता है, तो हैट्स ऑफ टू हिम एंड स्टे हेल्दी एंड स्टे फिट है। थैंक यू गाइस, सी यू, बाय।